How to transfer credit card money to Paytm wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer credit card money to a Paytm wallet. Adding money to your Paytm wallet from your credit card is a straightforward process. First, open the Paytm app and log in to your account. Next, go to the Add Money section on the home screen. Now, enter the amount you want to add to your wallet and select the credit card option. Enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV, then click on Proceed to Pay. You will be redirected to the bank's payment portal. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number for verification. Once verified, the amount will be added to your Paytm wallet. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.